said, what is an analogy? It is we have to see the similar kind of relationship which we have to identify. So it can be the first example can be the antonyms also. It can be the various other types. It can be in pairs. It can be opposites. The pairs can be opposite words. For example, father and mother. So in the answer, and suppose brother is given, you can give sister. Then the quantity measurement at times it is given. Then the homes of the animals. Then sports, which area, that is, suppose you take boxing. So what is the place where the boxing sport is done? That is the ring. Or the worker and the tool. For example, kitchen, who works in the kitchen? The chef. Hospital, doctor. Or the study, for example, heart, the study of the heart, it is the cardiologist. So you can take up also the diseases, that is malaria is it is developed by the by mosquitoes. So all these types of pairs are discussed in this analogy. So let's get started. Number one here, see sculpture, and the word is statue. Now here you see, I will explain you what is the relationship sculptor, statue. That is the person who is a sculptor. He makes statue. Then what does poet do? All right. So what does poet do? Sculptor, statue. Then what does poet do? Of course, canvas, the words as given: canvas, pen, verse, chisel. So here it is verse. Verse in Hindi, what do you say? Kavita. The chand, the writing of kavita. So poet, what do they do? They write verse. So I hope you have understood the relationship, how it is done. Sculptor makes statues. So poet writes the verse. Now, learners, please take a little pain to understand in English, because in all the competitive exams, you will be asked in English only. So please try to understand the words in English. Next, you see, number 2, expel school. Now, expel. Now, you see the relationship of the word expel and school. Now, you understand what is the meaning of expel. That is to throw out, to remove a student from the school. So, for this, what is the combination matching? The same kind of relationship, where do you get, in which pair you get? Export factory. So, this is export factory, study school, exile nation, lecture college. Now, here you see expel is to throw out of the school. So the combination, which is the answer here, the same type, same pattern of relationship is here, exile nation. Now exile means what? Exile is also to throw, also you can say, or banish. So one word you can say it is banish, capital S. All right. So it is banish. I'll just erase it and see. 1 minute. So it is here, you see, it is banish. B-A-N-A. B-A-N, sorry, not A-I-S-H. Or throw out. The same like expel from school, exile is also to throw out from a country, from a nation. So the next verbal analogy we do, the number 3, you see, square, cube. So the square means what? This is a square. This is a square. Okay. So this is a square, and this is also called a cube. Cube is also a kind of a square only. So the same relationship where you can find triangle, prism, line, cylinder, circle, sphere, sphere, earth. So the answer will be triangle, prism. Prism is also what? A kind of a triangular object. Prism is what? Triangular object. Next word. Number 4, we do bird wings. Now, bird has wings. All right, bird has wings. So, which other pair is similar? Where you will have a verbal analogy here, where you can reason that similar kind of relationship is there. Car, wheel, pen, paper, dog, lungs, whale, water. So where is the similarity? You can see you can find out that where is the similarity. Yeah. Okay. So it is, you see, it is here that number 1 is the answer. Bird wings. So car, the part of car is also, the part of bird is wings, and the part of car is also, the part of car is also wheel. All right, similar. So this is verbal analogy, and when you reason it, you will get all correct. Reticent, talk. Now this is antonym. Reticent and talk, they are rather antonyms. Now the meaning of reticent is, here you see, reticent actually means very reserved. All right, reserved kind of a person. The reticent is, or in Hindi what you, kam bolne wala vyakti, and talk is one person who talks. So what is it? It is just an opposite. So here you see, and the different pairs: abstemious, devour; tasteless, savor; likely, conjecture; cranky, grumble. All right. So this is a tasteless, savor, that is not opposite. Likely, conjecture. Likely means similar, and conjecture is to think or guess. Now, cranky is a very bad mood, and grumble, similar kind. But this, the first pair, is an antonym. Abstemious, devour. Now, abstemious, what does abstemious mean? Abstemious means to indulge in something very moderately, not to be very much addicted. Abstemious is to eat something very moderately. All right. But what is devour? Devour is, this is to do moderately. All right. But devour is what? Devour is what? Devour is to eat hungrily. All right, just the opposite. So what is the answer? This is the answer. Next, number 6. Let's do a little faster, you will understand. Waitress, restaurant. So waitress works in a restaurant. Which other pair is similar to this? Doctor, diagnosis; actor, role; driver, truck; teacher, school. Now doctor does diagnosis. He does the diagnosis. He gives the different kinds of treatments, different types of, he gives all the analysis of what kind of disease is there. Actor plays a role. Driver is using a truck. But teacher, school. Now here also, this is a staff of restaurant. In a restaurant, the waitress work as a teacher works in school. This is the answer. Next, number 7. Needle, thread. In Hindi, what you call sui dhaga. What a combination. Needle will not work without the thread. Needle, thread. So for pen, what you use? Ink, cap, paper, word. So of course, it's very easy. This is quite an easy one. This will be ink. Next, number 8, learners. Let's go and take the next word. Now, liquor is to drink. Some kind of liquor is to drink it. That is the work you do with liquor. Water, sip. All right. So, water, sip. All right. Bread, butter. All right. Tea, beverage. Snuff, inhale. So the answer will be here, tea. The answer is here, you see, tea, beverage. Now, beverage is also what? A drink. It's quite clear. So, here you see, beverage is also to drink. Next, you see. Number 9. Run, race. So in a race you run. So party, dance. So now here you see, the work is given this side. The running part is this side. You run in a race, but party, dance. Now the work is here in the dance is this side. So this is not correct. Study, book. Enjoy, journey. So, lecture, study. All these combinations are not working as this is working. What you do, you study a book, but you party dance. No, you dance in a party, but not study a book. You enjoy journey, definitely, but what you do in journey, you travel. That is the function. Enjoy is something very abstract. All right. So, this is what? This is the not an abstract noun. It says enjoy. Enjoy is abstract, but what you do, travel, journey. Lecture, study. Lecture is not involved with study. So the number B is the correct answer. Stationary, mobile. Now stationary means to be fixed in one place and mobile is to movable. So these are what? These are antonyms. Stationary and mobile, these are antonyms. Stationary, mobile, these are antonyms. Quilt, sheet. Bulb, tube light. So bulb and tube light all same type. Quilt, sheet, same. This is the quilt is used in a bed in winter season. Sheet is also bed sheet is used. Bulb and tube light, accessories of electricities. Quack, expert. Vehicle, bus. Both are similar. Now this is only antonym. Now what is a quack? Who is a quack? A wrong doctor. All right. Who is a quack? That is a doctor, a person who pretends to be a doctor. So who is a doctor? A person who pretends to be a doctor. So pretends to be a doctor. He's not a doctor. He hasn't studied a doctor, but a quack is a wrong doctor also, you can say. So isn't it the similar kind of verb? Stationary, mobile, that is what is permanently in one place, that is stationary, and mobile is a thing which can be moved. So the correct combination is quack and expert. Hospital, doctor, that is hospital is the place where doctors work. So college, student. Now, student doesn't work in college, no. So, lawyer, court. Lawyer works in a court. So, the combination you cannot give B also. Lawyer works in a court. It is, and here, this is hospital is the workplace of the doctor. So, here, hospital is the workplace. But lawyer is what? The worker, and workplace is this. So, this is not correct. Army, soldier. This is also not correct. So, army is what? Army, soldier is not working in army. Soldier, many soldiers make army. That is, this is the collective noun of this. So, this is not also correct, but this is the correct combination. That is, of course, in a school, a teacher works. Next one. Calf, cow, then kid. Now, calf is what? A baby of a calf is called a calf. The baby of a cow is called a calf. So the baby of which animal is called a kid? Dog, goat, horse, donkey. Now these you have to learn, that is the babies of the different animals. So dog, it's not kid, so it is goat. The baby of a goat is called a kid. Same combination as here it is given, that is calf, and calf is the baby of the cow. So kid is the baby of a goat. Alright, the next one, number 13. 13 words you have learned by now. Cat, mouse. So cat does what? Cat eats the mouse. So mouse is the prey of the cat. It's a victim to the of the cat. So the same combination you see, horse stable. That is, horse stays in a stable. This cannot be. Trap, cheese. This also is not a correct combination. Lion, cage. Now this is the place where the lion stays, but it is captured in a cage. But bird and worm is the correct. That is, bird also eats worm, cat also eats mouse. I hope you all are understanding and liking the session. Black is to coal as hard is to, that is, coal is what? Coal means what? Koila. So black color is coal. So hard is to rock, brick, board, stone. So it is rock. And the last one here of today's session is the number 15. That is, eye is to tear as mouth is to. Now, eye, in the eye, you get tears. Asu ana. Tear is means what? Asu. So mouth mein what you get? Can it be teeth? Many of you will make mistake of teeth. Teeth, tongue, lips, saliva. Now teeth is also in the mouth, tongue is in the mouth, lips is also there. But what you get? The saliva in the mouth. Okay, these are the 15 ones. I'll take the part 2, another 15 I'll take in the second part. So I hope you learn these and try to solve these yourself so that you can understand how much you have learned. So see you in my next session.